Hey mapmakers, would you like to draw a shape for your favorite building? Today we're learning how. There are two types of shapes, building and boundary. Today we'll learn to draw building shapes. To add a shape to a building that's not represented on MapMaker, click the Add New button. Then select Draw a Shape from the drop-down menu. Pick the category that best represents the building, then check the Building Outline button and click Continue. To add a shape to an existing point, select the point and press Edit. From there, click Mark Building Outline in the drop-down. You can now begin drawing. Click on the map to create pivot points. In between each pair of pivot points, another smaller circle will appear. You can click these to add further detail to your shape. You can add a gap in your polygon where appropriate using the Cut Out tool. Once you've completed your shape, you can use the Move tool to move all the pivot points at once. There are a few things to keep in mind when drawing shapes. Always draw shapes at the closest zoom level. You should draw the shape along the base of the building or the footprint rather than along the roof. Shadows can create complications with drawing. Make sure you disregard nearby shadows and satellite imagery when drawing shapes. If you're trying to map several places inside a building, like stores inside a mall, you should draw an unnamed building shape and then draw the businesses as points inside the building shape. There are some situations where you might be interested in adding a building and a boundary shape to your point. For example, you may want to mark both the shape of a primary school building as well as the boundary of the school grounds. In this case, you want to leave the building shape unnamed and include all the information for your primary school in the boundary shape. This is to avoid duplicated information on the map. The shape is complete. Now we can add some extra information in the left-hand panel in the Building Attributes section. Adding this data will make the building pop out in 3D on the map. The attributes are height, floors, carpet area, year of construction, construction material. You've brought the building to life. Click the links below for more information on shapes. Thanks for using Google MapMaker.